back to the channel, E-Crew. We're here in Baldwin Park, just got our boba, and basically I'm documenting Crystal's first time on the ONYX CTY2. She's having a blast in it so far, her first few minutes. I'm riding the Super73 S2, and we're making our way to Santa Fe Dam. You like that thing, huh? Should we switch? She does not want to rotate at all anymore after feeling the speed of an ONYX CTY2. I still like the Super73 aesthetically, believe it or not, over the any of the ONYX. That's just a preference. Like, you know, most riders want like the ONYX power, but the Super73 frame, you know, whether it's the S2 or the RX. I can see her in the rearview mirror. She's having a blast. She did already get a chance to take it around the parking lot first, obviously. She's just spending a little more time on it so she gets acclimated riding it on the streets. This is the first time she's riding it on the streets. There she is, maxing it up. Oh my gosh, she's going over. Yep, she's definitely going over 40 miles per hour. I can't keep up with it. I'm on my max here. She's gone. Well. We are trying to catch a sunset at Santa Fe Dam. Find a spot to break and get Crystal's feedback on her ONYX experience. ONYX CTY2 is definitely for shorter people, in my opinion. And she's only 5 foot tall, so I think it fits her nicely. Like, look, she can plant her foot down, even though she's tiptoeing. But that's what it looks like. How is it stopping for you? It's okay? Feel okay? Not too tall for you? Good. We're almost there. We're gonna go in the park, look for a spot. She knows this place. We've been here many times. Apparently it's free parking here after 5 p.m. The one downside with the ONYX CTY2 is there's definitely, in the rear, there's nothing to grab onto when you're lifting the bike. And it's close to 150 pounds. I can't and I won't even try to put it in my Element yet, or SUV. I don't have any ragdoll that's rated for that weight. I'll let you decide where you want to brake. Try to get near to the water without disturbing people. We just want to see the water, guys. Take a breather. Is that sweater keeping you warm? Really? I see that she still stands up on bumps, but the suspensions are pretty decent on the ONYX. Pretty decent. You know, it's dual suspensions.
Is it?
Yeah. So your rear is has an easier time. You don't have to stand up so much. What's your thought on that thing? Experience?
Halloween's gonna be so fun.
You're going to the Halloween ride? I'm not going to the Halloween ride.
Why are you not going to Halloween ride?
I have work.
You can get off.
It's on Saturday.
You can say I'm sick.
And also, I don't know what you mean, because we can't even transport that thing. It's too heavy to put in the SUV. I didn't buy it to transport it. We obviously bought it for work. What do you like or dislike about it so far?
Oh my God, when I went to 50,
Uh-huh.
I was crying. I couldn't even keep my eyes.
You got
My eyes were like,
teary
yeah, my eyes couldn't stay open.
because you were going so fast. They're kicking us out. Let's go up the bike path.
I need to turn on my light. Is it already on?
Yeah, the light button. Yep. It's always on, but there's a higher one. Go ahead and lead. Because we're missing out on that sunset behind us. Not too fast. Oh my gosh. It's just 15 miles per hour speed limit. She just blasted it. That's not what I meant by go ahead and lead. We're very fortunate to be close by this park or any city with bike lanes. West Covina and Baldwin Park, thank goodness, have bike lanes. La Puente didn't. And that made the Super 73 or this bike like not fun at all. Now it's fun. The ONYX is totally, a different vehicle altogether. That you can ride on any car lane or street. It doesn't have to be a bike lane. If anything, that's overkill on the bike lane. But a Super 73 can't hang on the car lanes for sure. Not at 30 miles per hour, it can't. Well, every stop we do, I ask her if we can switch, and she always refuses. So she definitely loves the ONYX CTY2. Once you feel that power of the ONYX, it's like she doesn't want to ride anything else anymore. But we're pretty much almost in Duarte from here on out. All right, go. Top speed, go. Tell me what you get. She had a speed tuck and everything. All right, little lady. She's gone. What'd you get? Stop. What'd you get? What was your top speed? 52?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I go 54.
That's okay. Maybe it's the battery.
We're going this way?
No, we're gonna U-turn. That's it. We're gonna head back. We're gonna head back, okay? You don't want to switch? Nope. There you go. Are you sure? Fish, you're being selfish. Alright, head back. Be safe. Don't ride too fast. You've always wanted a motorcycle, huh? Well, you're welcome. Don't leave your husband in the dust. You're always just leaving me. I'm gonna leash you. You want to be leashed? Yeah. I have. I'm gonna get my leash out. And you told me. What do you like? You like the twist throttle or the thumb throttle? It feels more like a motorcycle, right? But if you had a preference, thumb throttle or twist? How about aesthetically? Would you like that look or this look? You like this look, yeah. So you agree on that? That looks like a moped. Like a Vespa moped. Well, we're heading back, folks. That's gonna be today's vlog. Looks like Crystal loves the ONYX CTY2. Definitely recommend it for pavement. I'm almost certain that it's the same as a Super 73 range-wise, around 30 miles. Because right now she already has 60% left. They were both fully charged, and I still have about 70% left on my tank here. Anyhow, that's going to be the ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bikes. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.